Tell us a little bit about your pizza oven here, Mike.
Well, Brian, that's one of the things that most people are probably confused by. It does a lot more than just pizza, but it'll do phenomenal pizza.
Yeah.
So you can see we've got a fire. I lit that a little over an hour and a half ago. It's already over 600 degrees, 500 to 600 degrees on the sides. Use one of these infrareds to check temperatures. But right now, in just that little bit of time, I could sweep the coals out of the way. If the deck is hot enough, I could do steak, pork chops, chicken, either on a grill or in a cast iron pan. I can sweep it away and let the fire die down. It's hot enough, I bake bread, either by putting the baking oven door on, pulling all the fire off, like that, seals up tight. So you got a baking chamber, or I use a Dutch oven a lot, where I'll just put the bread in the Dutch oven and slide it in there. And we've done breakfasts, lunches, dinners, every meat you can think of, every vegetable. So yes, it'll do pizza.
How fast does it do pizza?
Well, when I get it up to 850 to 900 degrees, it'll do a pizza in under 2 minutes.
Amazing.
My record was 27 pizzas in 60 minutes for a high school girls soccer team, which was a lot of fun.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
Yeah, if anybody wants one of these, I recommend it, but it just makes cooking even more a passion in your life.
That's cool. So this was a kit. Remind me again where you got the kit from.
So it was out of Dallas, Texas. It's imported out of France. It's called Four Grand Mare. You can get a highlight of the door right there. Four Grand Mare. They're made in France. And so the kit itself is just a dome.
Right.
It's the internal dome, which is all red brick like this exterior. And then it's on a pedestal. Obviously we created a wood storage area, and then your craftsman put together a beautiful brick facade with countertops and everything, so we made it a real feature look.
Right.
You can go with just a dome look,
Sure.
but it depends on what you're doing for your particular use.
What's the advantage of a kit versus building one from scratch by, say, a masonry contractor?
I looked all over the West. There's maybe one or two masonry contractors that are known for building them from scratch. It'll take longer, it costs more. The hard part is sourcing the right fire brick. It's not just everyday brick.
Right.
It's a special brick. And so there's some in the Southwest, Southeast, but not many in the Northwest. So the kit, there's a variety of them available. Easy to research the reputation and find people to install the kit as opposed to building it custom internally.
Right.
Because it is a dome, so it's got to have the exact right structure to be both heat sensitive and structurally secure.
Sure. Right. Yeah. Right proportions and all that too.
Yeah. Yeah. Because you don't want them too high, because if you have them too high, all your heat will be in the top of the dome, and you lose a lot of the residual convection heat value.
Right.
Because you get heat from not only the floor and the walls and the ceiling. So like this will be hot enough here, I could sweep that out, block it up tonight, and come out here and make bacon and eggs in the morning with no heat, with no extra fire. The heat will still be in there.
Yeah. So it's not that much work.
No.
I mean, I think most people might think, oh gosh, it looks like a lot of work. You got to remember to get the fire going, and then you got to manage the fire.
You know, it takes a little time from that perspective, but you know, baking is baking, and so preheating an oven, this takes a little longer than preheating an oven, but I can do a lot more with the heat that's left over.
Right.
So.
And it's worth it.
It is. It's very much worth it.
Very cool.
So I'm not quite sure what'll be dinner tonight, but that's the fun of this.
That's right. All right. Thanks, man.
You bet.